Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your Aadhar, a photocopy, and a valid ID for proof. Once done, find the nearest Aadhar Seva Kendra or an authorized enrollment center and book an appointment or arrive early to avoid long waits. Tell the counter you need both a picture update and mobile number change so they prepare the correct form. Doing this first saves time because the operator will verify documents right away and guide you through the specific capture steps. At the center, complete the Aadhar update form and clearly mark photo change plus mobile update. The operator will inspect your original documents and then capture a fresh photograph and biometric authentication. This ensures the new image links to your identity. When the mobile number is entered, read it out and verify on screen to prevent mistakes, because once submitted it ties to OTP processes. Make sure the operator confirms the fields. This reduces rejections and speeds processing. After the capture, pay the required processing fee and collect your acknowledgement with the update request number. This URN is how you track progress. Once the update is processed, use the URN to check status online and download your updated e-Aadhar, or use the m-Aadhar app to sync changes. If the update is rejected, immediately request the rejection reason, confirm document validity, and reapply with corrected documents. This troubleshooting step prevents repeated delays and clarifies what to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.